simple microphone level controls here, also headphone controls there. You can mute the microphone. As I just did, I just muted that. You can also kill your video there by clicking that button, but the smart pads are really cool. Now, if I look at the different smart pads I've got here already, I can play an air horn, or I can censor myself. Oh, yeah, exactly. If you suffer from that during live streams, that can be quite helpful. You can also, and it's hard to do this and stay serious,
sound like a pixie? Oh my goodness me!
Or you can censor your voice and make it hard to
know who you are, because I've put all kinds of voice-changing effects.
And that's all available via the custom smart pads that can be set up in Rode Central.